Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a monitor arm for my monitor, that is 32-inch monitor, and I'm really excited to show you how it goes. I bought it from Amazon for $39 and that's really a good price for a monitor arm. I'll leave the link in the description if you want one. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see, I just opened the box and I didn't see anything, so it was just underneath that. So this is the first thing that is inside the box, that is going to be clamp. This clamp is going to hold the tabletop and the monitor, and this is going to be VESA plate that is going to be compatible with most of the monitors, and it is compatible with maximum 32-inch monitors. And here you can see some screws and Allen keys, and this is the base. This one is going to be the lower arm for the base, and the last one is the upper arm. That looks really good. It has some cable management slots which I couldn't find in a cheap monitor arm. So let's see the instructions. So first thing first, I need to loosen the clamp and I need to attach this plate. I'm just tightening the screws here. I found that this mount is really strong and sturdy. There is a lot of plastic in this, but this is really strong built inside, like it's metal inside for sure. And this is the base which I'm gonna screw and build it together. Okay, now it's time to remove everything from the desk. Let's take out the light bar, the wires for the monitor, and we'll take the monitor out of here for some time. And then I need to move the table a little bit to my side because I need to get the clamp behind the tabletop. I'll just go underneath the tabletop and just tighten the clamp. While doing this, I scratched my tabletop somehow, and yeah, I felt really sad. You can see in the video there. This looks really bad, and I just got this tabletop and the Alex drawers just few weeks ago. Okay, now the desk is clean, not really clean, but yeah, it should be good to work. So I need to take out the monitor stand for my 32-inch Samsung monitor. This existing monitor stand was taking a lot of space on my tabletop and I couldn't put any stuff under the monitor. So that is why I got this monitor arm, and I think it's gonna be perfect for putting more stuff underneath the monitor. So I'll just tighten these here. Need to put the screws on the monitor so I can put it on the VESA plate. Perfect. Now I need to make sure to tighten the screws so the monitor doesn't fall off. Overall, I am doing the voiceover after building up everything, and I think the mount is really good. It holds the monitor really nicely, and you can move the monitor closer to you, far from you, and you can adjust the height, you can rotate the monitor, and also there are some slots for cable management in the monitor arm. That's really nifty. I would definitely recommend this product to you. If you are getting it, you can get it on sale for $39. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.